Over the years, humans have been inflicting increasing amounts of damage to the environment due to wanton abuse of our resources. Increasing levels of greenhouse gases have led to increases in global temperatures, increasing the frequency of droughts. Although droughts have always been natural, unavoidable occurrences, the human-generated increase in temperatures has caused droughts to be even more devastating. Across the globe, many tree species have been experiencing unheard-of rates of mortality. As the length of the drought increases, trees in environments with elevated temperatures consume carbon faster than trees in ambient temperatures. In an effort to avoid drought-induced mortality, the trees regulate their stomata and forego photosynthesis, and eventually die of carbon starvation as a consequence of the shortage of water. When intermittent droughts impact productive ecosystems, it can lead to abnormally high atmospheric CO2 rates. Thus, droughts are expected to impact the carbon cycle more strongly in the future, decreasing crucial environmental attributes such as gross primary production and net ecosystem exchange. Droughts cause plants to respond both physiologically and structurally to prevent excessive water loss. After a drought, disturbances in moisture reservoirs, organic matter, and nutrients in the plant soil and carbohydrates lead to long-term effects in the ecosystem carbon cycles, potentially leading to plant mortality. This figure shows the result of an experimental design of a species of pine tree placed in two different environments, in ambient temperatures and in temperatures that are 4.3 degrees higher. Over time, the trees at higher temperatures have less water in their roots and die earlier than those living in ambient temperatures. On average, the trees in warmer temperatures lasted 18 weeks, while the ones in ambient temperatures lasted 25.1 weeks. This is a statistical difference shown from a p-value of less than 0.01 after analysis. The data proves that over the duration of a drought, the trees experiencing drought in the warmer environment consistently experience mortality faster than trees placed in the ambient temperature environment. Biomass of plants before a drought is healthy, but during a drought, many of the plants die. As biomass decreases, a gap is created between the amount of vegetation that we need and the amount we can use. Businesses that depend on agriculture, such as the food industry, must increase their prices to overcome their losses due to increasing vegetation mortality. This causes increasing food costs to society. Along with degradation of soil quality and the loss of wetlands, one significant impact droughts have on the environment is the increased frequency of wildfires, leading to more carbon dioxide being released into the environment. This increase in carbon dioxide raises the global temperature, promoting drought and worsening conditions. Social impacts of droughts are the ways droughts affect people's health and safety. Economic losses and reduced incomes due to droughts can cause anxiety or depression. In some cases, droughts may even cause loss of life.
So what can I do to help?
Be careful about what chemicals your family uses to clean your house, fertilize your lawn, and run your car. You can also find different cleaners that are non-toxic and safer for you and our water. Use water wisely at all times. Avoid using aerosol sprays or other products that emit chlorofluorocarbons. Only use what you need when you need it.